Hello and welcome to
Butler-HQ.
and today we're going to be changing that, which is an intake temperature sensor on a BMW E34 540.
That little beauty there.
And the reason for this is it is quite cheap, and once again this is a genuine BMW part from BMW. It's made by Butler in Ireland, and it is BMW. I'll just get close here, so I'll BMW Ireland and Butler.
Yeah.
So if it fitting this might interest you,
Then stay tuned. Also, if your Beamer runs poorly from cold, then this might interest you.
because mine does, and that's why I'm changing this. First of all, you're going to open your bonnet and find the plug, which is down here. Best way to find it is find your airbox, follow it around, and it's in between your intake manifold and the rocker cover. It's just down there. Spray some
Multi-lube on it.
and then set about removing your battery, which is under your seat.
So you'll need just two tools, 13 the battery and a 19 to remove the sensor. Nice and easy. And for a change, we've got the tools at hand.
Yeah, the first, you know, professional, new jack, tools are ready. So, just to confirm, make sure you spray some penetrating
Yeah.
fluid on, leave it to
Helps,
soak
doesn't
for a
it?
bit, have a cup of tea,
That's it.
get a battery off. And now we are close up,
We are
To it.
close up. And we're
a
gonna
bit zoomed in.
we're just gonna press the wire to release plug, and it is off now. You can see it's just down there.
Let me get the camera in.
It is just down. It's just there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give that a turn. We are. I'm just gonna shouldn't take it.
Is it gone?
It has gone on. Yeah, I was doing it to be a bit cocksured. It has gone, yeah. Penetrating oil works wonders, though.
Because, yeah.
Just wiggle it around a bit, as I saw in the book.
Now, we are not going to skip this because me and Dan are trying to prove or find something out, which is... Oh, I'm out of focus here. Where
Out
is
of
it?
focus.
I'm out back now. Ireland, and that is Burr again.
Yeah.
So Burr is the original manufacturer, are we, for them
Aye.
with beard.
Nice to know.
So really, is there anything Boschy on here?
Is there anything Boscher?
Now it's time to refit
Yeah. Don't forget to fit.
that on, because that don't come with you once.
No, it does not. And your little seal.
And what Dad's doing, Matt, according to the E34 Bible, if you've got if you feel right, attach it there, you've got the better intake manifold.
That's what they claim.
That's what they're saying.
That's what they claim.
And if you've got red injectors, you've got better injectors. Again, that's what it's claiming.
That's what they claim.
And we have got on Boudica black ones, it seems. Yeah, black ones. TVR has got red ones, yeah,
Red ones.
and silver red ones there.
Yes. So yes, that is that. And there you are.
That's the new one going in. Now,
What was that?
idiot on BMW 5 forum
Yeah.
does
Swear by
doing
these.
this.
Yeah. He does. He swears that it makes
Difference.
all the difference.
See, when trying to cure a stumble over, really,
Well, yeah.
you got to put a car beside, most of the sensors are going to be starting to go over.
No, yeah.
Let's face it, really. Oh, look at new shiny part. Eh?
Nice shiny part. Yeah, it does do it. Looks great though, and it's all shiny and blingy. That's it. Yep.
And that's just about done.
It is. And that is that.
You plug your wire back in.
And I'm done.
That's how you change the intake temperature sensor on your BMW E34 540, I suppose 530 V8.
Yeah, 530 V8.
If it did enjoyed this content, it did help you, please like. If you want to know more about fixing your stuff when these go wrong, subscribe, because I'm sure to do another tutorial at some point where this one, that one, or the other one breaks.
And the question will be, when boot is cold next, will she start up and run smooth? Because some claim that this is a bit like a chow and it feeds more petrol when it's cold. So we shall see.
So we don't know.
So
But
we're going to see.
it's changed, and if there is any
Benefits.
difference, we will comment it in the pin post down below.
We will.
So, thank you for watching as always.
And Avida saying,
You got it right.
I know.
Hey.